What do you do if you're an automaker with a car that's been hanging around for a while and facing fresher competition? Well, in Jaguar's case, with his big XJ, that in its current form originally launched way back in 2009, he sent it to the gym and he gave it a slight visual makeover to create this, the XJR575. As its name hints to, the XJR575 has, well, 575 horsepower, which is up from 550 in the old XJR and 517 pound-feet of torque from its supercharged 5-liter V8 engine. Together with an excellent ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, it hits 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds and a top speed of 186 miles per hour, which ain't shabby. Tighter handling comes courtesy of firmer spring and dampener tuning compared to the XJL Supercharged and 20-inch Pirelli P0 tires. Steering is very light, but responsive to quickly get the 575 turned in. Once it takes a set in the corner, it just carves on through confidently. The downside is that ride quality is definitely on the firmer side. To look the part, this XJR 575 gets a gloss black grille, front splitter, wheels, wider side sills, rear spoiler, and badging. This particular car is also painted Velocity Blue that is available exclusively on this range-topping model in the XJ range. Then on the inside, there are quilted seats, and if you forget how much horsepower you have under the hood, 575 badges on the dash, seat backs, and side sills. On the tech front, Jag's InControl Touch Pro system handles infotainment with a 10-inch touchscreen to control navigation, a 20-speaker Meridian audio system, Wi-Fi hotspot, and Bluetooth. It will also be able to run both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with an update that Jag says is coming any day now. In past Jaguar and Land Rover vehicles, the system has been slow to respond to inputs and page between menus, but in this 575, it's surprisingly quick, which is good. If you want to put the baddest XJ built to date in your garage, it's going to cost you $123,395 to start, which isn't cheap, but when you consider that the BMW Alpina B7 begins at $140,000 and the Mercedes AMG S63 at $148,000, I guess the Jag isn't insanely priced for a large luxury high-performance sedan. And that's 5 things you need to know about the 2019 Jaguar XJR 575. For a full in-depth written review of this older but very fast and still attractive cat, check out theroadshow.com.